This is Matthew from the Windows Club. If you are not getting notifications from Google Chrome on your Windows computer, then either read through this article on the website or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to allow Windows to permit notifications. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings. In the Settings window, go to the System tab on the list on the left-hand side. In the right pane, select Notifications. Make sure that the switch associated with notifications is turned on. If not, then please turn it on. The second solution is to check whether the internet connection is working on your computer or not. Go to the browser and open any website of your choice. If it opens fine, then the internet connection is good too. The third solution is to turn off Focus Assist. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to System on the list on the left-hand side. In the right pane, click on Focus Assist. For Focus Assist, switch the radio button to Off. The fourth solution is to open the website from which you want the notifications on your Google Chrome browser. It will push the website up for priority towards notifications. After this, you can also consider resetting and updating the Chrome browser, and this has been explained over separate articles and videos. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club and write your question. We will surely answer it. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.